So, today at Redlands, we had a little incident with a storm the other day. We had a tree that decided to snap, so now we're replacing it. And typical me, I don't like waiting for trees to grow, so I bought a big ass tree. Poor little silver birch that snapped, and I am replacing it with this one. What's getting carried in by the digger right now. A nice length, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meter high already. So she should go in nicely and enjoy it this spring and summer. And for anybody who want to know what it is, it's one of those what I cannot pronounce apart from the hornbeam. There we go. Native tree. Now the new tree is in, and I gotta say thank you very much. She is a beaut and she's gonna look wonderful this summer.